Guys, welcome back with another video. Today we will be unboxing Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. This is the second package, as we said in the first video. We will be unboxing this. It has a screen protector and a case with the phone. Separately came. It was as a package. Let's unbox this. That's the package for the phone. As I think, these are the cases. This is the screen protector. This is the case, I think. We are unboxing we're in the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Last year's device. We are unboxing it. As we can see, we're going into the box. This is the paperwork. Oh, there's more booklet. This is where all the SIM ejector is. The booklet. Let's put that there for now. More paperwork. Here is the phone, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's put our phone here for a minute. Let's get into the box. We have a USB-C wire. We have a brick, charging brick. We have another box here. Don't even know what's in here. Oh, a pair of headphones. That's special. You don't get all this in the new boxes for the new devices. You don't even get the brick either anymore. So that's unusual, to be having a headphone and a brick in the box. Let's put them there. Let's put that there for now. Let's get to the phone. Here's the back of the phone. Cameras. And then here's the front. Let's get these stickers out the way. Turn this phone on. You can see Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's get into these packages here as well. See what's in these. We have a case in this box. Good looking case. Stick this on. This is how it looks like in the phone, the case with the phone. It looks still good looking phone. Oh, they moved the S Pen to the left side before it was on the right. See if there's any difference with the pen. Yes, there is. You flip it into the left side rather than the right side. And that's where the S Pen goes. That's the case. We have one more package, guys. See what's in here. We have a good looking screen protector. I am not familiar with sticking on these screen protectors, so we will see it afterwards if we'll try and put a picture in. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.